Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to create an eBay account. So if you also want to create an eBay account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is install eBay application. It is available both in Play Store and App Store. Now launch open eBay application. You can see over here eBay has been opened. At bottom, you'll be able to find several options over here. At second, you'll be able to find the option for My eBay. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. At first you'll be able to find the option for sign in. All you have to do is tap on it. Due to security reason, eBay does not let you record the screen, so it will appear blank from now, but I'll tell you what to do. If you already have an account, you can directly sign into your account, but if you want to create an account, all you have to do is tap on the option create an account. Now here you'll be able to continue with email, continue with Google, or you can also continue with Facebook, or you can also create a business account. Simply tap on the option of your choice. Now you can see over here you'll have to provide your email. Simply tap on this box. Now provide your email. Now enter your first name. Now enter your last name. Now tap on the continue option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here you'll have to create a password. Simply tap on this box. Now create a password for yourself. Your password must contain at least 8 characters, at least 1 letter and a number or a symbol. Now tap on the create an account option that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Here you'll have to add a passkey. Simply tap on the option add a passkey, or you can also skip for now. Simply tap on the option skip for now. Now you can see over here your account has been created. Go ahead and set up your account. So that is how you create an eBay account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.